Welcome to Mabaan language or Sudanese language. In this video, we are going to learn about subjective pronouns in Maban or African or Sudanese. Subjective pronouns in Maban are ya, 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 or ya, 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 ya. Ya is I. Ya, I in English. So ya in Maban, translated in English or to English, is I. Eke is he. Eke, he. Eke, eke, eke is she. Eke, she. Eke, he. Eke, she. Eke is short. He is short. But Eke is she, so you have E and then K is stretched out. Eke, Eke, she. E is you. E is you. E is a singular noun of you. Eke, 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 eke. Eke is a plural noun of you. Eke, bene, you came. Eke. You have two people or three people. You're talking about them. They came. Eke, bene. You guys came. Or you came. Eke. On, we. On, we. On, we. On, we. Eken, they. Eken, they. Eken, they. Eken, they. Thank you for listening to Maban language.